So Ken and 1 is Joe Tag, 2 is Rob Welch, 3 is Adam Bartle, and 4 is Justin Freeman.
Hey Rob.
Alright, so we're going to have everybody going on the code in less than 5. They're off. Here comes the race.
First.
13 miles standing truck. Woo, Rob sneaks by. Joe Lintag, holding up a little bit so not to hit him. All 3 drivers after 1 lap still tightening it.
First. Second. Third.
Woo, Roberts in a little trouble. Down back in the turn, putting Adam up to 2.
First.
Adam rolls over
Third.
and goes from second to last. We see how Joe Lintag out in the lead, but fast lap bars into Rob Welch. 17.046 so far.
First. Second. Third. Fourth.
Woo, Justin rolls over, get out and catch up. The battle of the blue trucks. Blue,
First.
All right, looks like Rob and Joe Lintag are checking out from Justa and Adam.
Fourth.
They're like, bye-bye, see you later, alligator.
First. Second.
Ooh, Rob rolls over, now to get court-martialed.
Third. Fourth.
Adam is above the truck and Justa gets by. We got 4:10 remaining.
First. Second.
Right now, Joe Lintag's on a 23.6 flat. Rob's on a 23.614. Justin's on a 22.609. And Adam is on a 22.612. Rob also the new fast out of 16.677.
Third. Fourth.
My next heat is short course.
Second.
Ooh, Rob gets stuck in the pipe. Giving Joe even more breathing room.
Fourth. First.
Right now,
Second.
Joe has 6.3 seconds on Rob.
Third.
Rob has 10.1 seconds on Adam. And Adam has
Fourth. First.
4.2 seconds on Justa.
Second.
Looks a little tighter than that though on the track. I don't mean that.
Third.
Rob with another fast lap, 16.584.
Fourth.
Just needs to string these all together.
Second.
Looks like Joe Lintag made his way around Justa.
First. Fourth. Second.
2:18 now remaining.
Third. First.
Caution start finish line.
Second.
Caution clear.
Third.
Adam just ran his personal fast lap, 17.273.
Second.
1:45 now remaining. Right now, Rob is 5.1 seconds behind Rob. And Adam is 6.0 seconds behind Rob.
Second.
Justa in fourth. 1:23 now remaining. No close battles. They're all separated by at least
First.
4.5 seconds.
Second. Fourth. Third. First.
Let's see my short course guys getting their stuff turned on right now.
Second.
Less than 50 seconds remaining on this race.
Fourth. First.
Walt over there having a great old time.
Second. Third.
Oh, Joe Tag might be slowing down a little bit, but there's only 28 seconds remaining.
First. Fourth.
He only has a 4.0
Second.
second lead. Rob starting to reel him in. Might be too little, too late.
Third. First.
Rob's also on the edge.
Second.
Now there's only 2.4 seconds separating them. All right, cross the line and you will be done.
Third.
Oh, wah, wah, wah.
Fourth.
Valiant effort. All right, everybody's done. Then it was Joe followed by Rob, Adam, and Justa.